Welcome to my Python project for my Introduction to Python CS50P final project. We're going to go ahead and run it by typing Python project.py and hitting enter. We're greeted by a welcome to Digital Tarot using the Figlet library. We're prompted to pick a spread, to type exit if we'd like to quit the program, or to type clear if we'd like to clear the screen, and then our two spread options are shown to us: Celtic Cross or 3-card spread. I'm going to be adversarial, and I'm going to type cat, and we're going to be prompted again, type 50, and we're still going to be prompted again. So this time I'm going to cooperate, and I'm going to write 3-card spread just like that. Hit enter, and we're going to do a traditional 3-card tarot spread where we get randomly chosen cards with all of the strings from each of the traditional tarot cards written there for our first slot, and then we get ASCII colored art that's associated with that card that we've drawn randomly. And here you can see an example of, we pulled a reverse card, so we get the reversed description and we get the reversed ASCII key art for our second slot, and also for our third slot in this case. And then at the end, you see we can type exit, we can type clear to clear the screen if we would like, or we could just simply choose another spread right now. I feel like the screen, there's a lot of information here, a lot of color, a lot of things. I feel like let's just clear the screen. The program is still running. The user can still decide that they'd like to do a Celtic Cross. Instead, that's a 10-card spread with some little bit of different logic. And so same strings, same ability to reverse the card. Here now we're giving a description to each slot because the slot is important in a Celtic Cross in a very specific way, where it can be a more general way for the 3-card spread. And also, importantly, for a Celtic Cross, to make the cross, the second of the slots must be sideways. The cross itself, or the challenge, which in this case is solitariness, which I think is very appropriate for this video, as I am a student who is auditing this class on my own on the internet. And so let me show you the one last piece of functionality here. As you see, all of our different cards, they're displayed in exactly the same way as the 3-card spread. And we're clear, and we can type exit, and this like thanks for playing, and then we're just going to go ahead and run our tests very, very quickly, and we will see that all 8 of the tests are passing.